Hi everyone, open Styles Formatting for Word Module 2. And for this one we're working strictly with the Styles group on the Home tab. So right now if you're to look at any line of text, it's all in the Calibri 11, which is the default for Word. So click anywhere on the very first line. You do not have to select, just be on that line. And what we're going to do is go over to the Styles group and actually choose Title. When you select it, it puts it in a font Calibri Light size 28. Then I'll click Heading 1 and I'll actually choose Heading 1. And it puts it in Calibri Light 16, and if you're curious about the font color, if I click the down arrow, you can see that it chose blue accent 1, darker 25%, and that's on that line. And again, if I click anywhere on that line, it shows that I chose Title. If I click the next one, it shows that I chose Heading 1. For the next one, I'll choose Heading 2. But before I do, if you notice, there is no Heading 3. When I click Heading 2, now I have a Heading 3. And to see the difference between the two, this one was size 16 and then this one is 13, but it is the same blue. It looks a little bit lighter, but it's the same blue. It's just smaller font size. So we use Title, Heading 1, Heading 2. Now click anywhere in the quote, and if you click the down arrow for more options, choose, I like this one, Intense Quote. It puts it in blue, it centers it, and actually puts it in italic. For the last section, actually type your name, press enter. And what you'll do is you'll create your own style. So you pressed enter at the end. You're going to click that more button in the styles group and choose create a style. Type just your first name and then click modify. And you're going to choose a font choice of your own liking. So if you want to scroll through and find something that is appealing to you, the French script. You have a sample in the preview box. Make the size 20, bold, and then pick a color that you'd like. Purple. So there's my sample. So choose any formatting style, increase the size to 20, bold, and pick a color. And then what you'll do, I'm just going to move this up, is make sure you select new document based on this template. Otherwise it would be only in this document. So I'm going to click new document based on this template and OK. Now when I click anywhere on my name and I click the more options, I should have mine as a choice, and I'll click that. If I were, you don't have to do this part. If you do Control N, it gives you a whole new document, and you can see that my name remained in the styles. I'll just close out of there. So if you decided, you know, I don't want it purple anymore, if you right click on your new style, choose modify, you can change the color and it'll update it. So you can change your font, you can change your color to whatever you'd like. And your style remains up there. So you could have your own style up there. You could have an MLA style or APA style in the Times New Roman 12. So working with styles, it's up to you what you decide to use up here. You can create as many as you want. There's plenty of room for adding more styles. That's it. That's a save and submit. Thanks.